gonna be Gator Swamp
Gate.
gas. I feel like this should be an interesting try.
She think I like gators. It's crazy. I don't know, man. They got.
Oh, they have two. This place is so cool.
Free
For
shipping.
salsa.
Stop.
What? Oh, she got me with medium. I'm gonna get her with hot. We're gonna get her with hot. You know. I don't know. Ghostly I got one. I got it. This the one.
I love garlic, so bring it on.
Yeah. I feel like we should do that at the same time, but I'm gonna let this slide. What is it again?
Swamp Gator gas.
Swamp Gator gas. It's medium, so it shouldn't be that hot. Ready?
Does it taste like Gator gas?
Tastes like taco seasoning.
Oh, is it spicy though?
Spicy. It hits the back throat if you let it. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Pretty good.
All right. Dang it!
Alright,
I
you-
thought I picked the spicy one.
All right, ready?
Oh boy,
You ready?
I'm ready. Oh,
Yeah.
you put more on mine.
No, I did not. No. Mine was dunkier. She ain't got it. Look.
That's pretty good.
Pretty good. She ain't got no water though, so we gonna take that pretty good. That ain't gonna hook cool down.